Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Welcome back to another DJI Neo tutorial video. And keep your great questions coming, and I'll continue to post video responses. But the question for this video is, how do I remove the camera protector? And how do I reattach the DJI Neo's camera protector? Here's how you do it. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, back again to respond to another DJI Neo question. Keep these excellent DJI Neo questions coming, by the way. This is how do you take the camera protector off? How do you take off DJI Neo's camera protector? How do you remove DJI Neo's camera protector? So it's actually pretty simple, but again, great question. I mean, we've all asked this. So you can see it's got a ridge. And this is something I want to point out before I take it off. This ridge piece, think of that ridge and this ridge as bottom, because it can get confusing once you start to reattach it. So remember, there's a ridge there and there's a ridge there. That's a good visual way to differentiate between the top of the Neo's camera protector and the bottom. Just remember, ridge, ridge. Ridges are on the bottom. So to take it off, all you do, you gently squeeze and you gently pull off. So now the DJI Neo's camera guard camera protector has been removed. Now, how do you attach DJI Neo's camera protector? Well, I've got it off, and obviously always do this while your drone is powered off. But see, there's ridges on this side, there's no ridges on that side. Remember, gotta go down south for the mountains, gotta go down south for the mountains, man. So we're down south, which is the bottom of the drone, which has the ridges on the battery, and you got to have the ridges on the camera protector. So what I usually do, I flip it over with the ridges on the bottom. I put the top in first, and then I go to the bottom, and it gently snaps in. Just to re-demonstrate, a squeeze, gentle squeeze to remove. And then to put it back in, see there's that little piece and that piece. I always start with the top, gently connect it, and then gently push on that and it snaps in. Holds it like a boss. There's another DJI Neo tutorial video for you. Thanks again everyone for that great question. And if you've got other DJI Neo questions, comment below and I'll try to respond within upcoming DJI Neo tutorial videos. And as a reminder, I am the drone evangelist, and I always practice and preach safe and responsible drone use. I encourage everyone to be a fellow drone evangelist. Always practice and preach safe and responsible drone use, because if we don't, this hobby might cease to exist, and that would be catastrophic. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And you can expand this video's description and then click the links there to find the case like I use, and then also the drone and other DJI Neo accessories. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.